Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about my story of buying this fake Maybelline's Colossal Kajal. So you all might be thinking that why I said fake, because this is not the original Maybelline's Super Black Kajal. This is a fake one. Although I have purchased it online, so now I am going to tell you that why you should never purchase this kajal or these type of things online. So I have purchased this Maybelline's kajal from Amazon. I have ordered from there, and then I have received this kajal in around 5 to 6 days. And when I received this was in same packaging as that of Maybelline's. And this is Super Black Kajal, you can see here, and the packaging is ditto like the original product, see. And also I have paid 355 rupees for this Kajal, as I thought that it is the original one, but they have given me the wrong product. And also I would like to tell you that these type of products, when you purchase this online, these are non-returnable products, you cannot return them. So my 350 rupees has gone to waste, as this is fake. And when I use this product, it does not work. I applied 5 to 6 to 8 times of this kajal and it do not work. So this is totally the waste of money. So never buy this kajal from Amazon online. What you can do simply is just go to the store and buy from there. Now I am going to show you how it is. So see, this is how this kajal is working. You can see it is very light, and I have applied it around 7 to 8 times, and after this it is like this. So you all would be able to understand that how bad this kajal is. So I will suggest you never buy it online. And also, when you are buying it from stores, so check it twice or thrice that whether the product is original or not. And I would suggest you to always buy it from a good showroom or a very good mall, so that you won't get a fake product. Even the kajal worth 10 rupees of Blue Heaven, which is easily available in the market, is 1000 times better than this product, because at least it gives a dark black shade. And you can see in this is totally waste of money, and it will also make your eye look very dull, and also it may cause some rashes to your eyes. So never use this kajal. And also, when you are going to purchase this kajal, just get some news and information that how the product is and how it actually looks like, and what's the difference between a fake and a real one, so that you won't get the fake product. So this is my experience with this kajal. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.